Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Before the story begins, take a deep breath and imagine removing every weight that has been holding your heart down. Every one of us walks with a shadow behind us. A yesterday full of mistakes, regrets, and moments we wish we could erase. But the truth is simple. Only when we stop carrying yesterday can we finally start building today. Stay with us till the end, because the story you are about to hear may become the turning point of your life. In an old neighborhood lived a young man named Ali. Ali was not a bad person, but he carried something heavier than any physical weight: his past. Every mistake he ever made lived in his mind like a ghost. Every regret sat on his shoulders like a mountain, and no matter how much he tried to move forward, yesterday kept pulling him back. Ali had stopped smiling, stopped trying, stopped dreaming, because he believed he did not deserve a new beginning. One day, Ali was sitting outside the masjid after Fajr, lost in his thoughts. An elderly man known as Sufi Sahab, famous for his wisdom, sat beside him. Sufi Sahab looked at Ali's face and gently asked, "Beta, why do you look like someone carrying the whole world on your back?" Ali remained silent for a moment and then said, "I made mistakes, many mistakes. I hurt people, I disappointed my family, I ruined opportunities, and now I feel like I don't deserve anything good." Sufi Sahab smiled softly. "Tell me, Ali, when you pray, do you stand in front of Allah with your past or with your heart?" Ali looked confused. Sufi Sahab continued, "When you says Allahu Akbar, what does it mean?" "It means Allah is greater. Greater than what?" "Greater than your sins, greater than your regrets, greater than your past." Ali's eyes filled with tears. Sufi Sahab placed a hand on his shoulder. "Do you know why Allah made today? To give you another chance. Yesterday is gone. You can't fix it. But today is still in your hands." That evening, Ali went home and spoke to his younger sister, Aisha, his cousin, Aslam, and his little nephew, Usman. For the first time in years, he opened up about his regrets. And to his surprise, they did not judge him. They hugged him. They told him they still believed in him. That night, Ali cried not from pain but from relief. For the first time, he allowed himself to imagine a life not defined by mistakes. The next morning, he woke up early. He prayed with sincerity. He set small goals. He apologized to those who had hurt. He took responsibility for his life. He started fresh. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And slowly, very slowly, Ali became someone he himself was proud of. Because he finally understood one truth. You cannot build today with the bricks of yesterday. So what do we learn from this story? We learn that your past is a lesson, not a life sentence. Allah forgives you the moment you sincerely turn back to Him. Don't let yesterday steal the strength you need for today. A new beginning is written for anyone who truly wants to change. No heart is too broken for Allah to heal. No mistake is too big for Allah to forgive. People may not forget, but Allah always gives new chances. Your future is not built by regret. It's built by effort. You rise the moment you stop punishing yourself. Don't carry yesterday. Build your today. Every sunrise is Allah telling you, try again. You deserve a fresh start, and you can create it. Your past is not your prison. Your mistakes are not your identity. And your future begins the moment you choose to rise. If this story touched your heart, support this channel so more hearts can heal. Like, comment and subscribe, because together we are building a community where faith grows and lives change. So don't carry yesterday. Build your today. Until the next story, take care of your soul. Till then, Allah Hafiz.